Hey, good afternoon. This is Andy Cormer with Starfish Group Properties. I'm over in North Richland Hills today. I wanted to show you around the new property we just picked up. So closed on this one a couple of days ago. People needed a few extra days to move some stuff out, so we gave them that option. So I want to show you around, give you an idea. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. Just needs a lot of TLC, a lot of love needed in this one. And let me give you a quick tour around. So you can see the kitchen behind me. Good sized kitchen, older cabinets. So we're going to come in, we're going to redesign some cabinets here, give a new layout to the kitchen. Good sized room though, so this is kind of like a kitchen slash dining room combo. And you see the backyard there, real deep, big backyard. Nice little shed out there, almost like a little playhouse. And then the homeowner tried to start doing some plumbing, some upgrades, but that's the shower actually to the master bedroom. So let me walk you into the living room. You see original old hardwood floors that need to be restored. So we got some work ahead of us there, but not too bad. Then you walk down the hallway, and this is the 3-bedroom and the 2-bath. So when you come in, you got the master bedroom here. Little bathroom over there. I won't take you all the way over there. See, we're missing a couple of doors, but relatively new HVAC system, which is awesome. Then the hall bath. So this is weird. It doesn't even have a shower. So you can see we got some foundation work here, but they had a jetted tub. I think the gentleman's wife had some issues with her knees and legs, so that's what the jetted tub was for. And then just your old dated bathroom. Bedroom number 2. You can see they had carpet down at one point, but original hardwood floors. Again, just a lot of TLC needed. Then bedroom number 3. You can see original hardwood floors that just need some love. Need a couple of closet doors over there. And then this was weird. They had a doorway between the master and the regular bedroom here. So we'll probably close that back in. So we got this one because family wanted to retire. They're getting an RV. But you can see it's in a lot of original condition. So it needs a lot of love to clean it up. There's that plumbing thing we're going to fix again. And then they also started doing some brick work, which you can see here. So we've got to be able to take that brick off, fix that, and get that working again. So good amount of work to be done on this one, but it's a great house. It's in a great area, near a great private Christian school, near easy access to 183 and 121. So this will be our next investment project over here in North Richland Hills. So what we do is we specialize in helping homeowners that have problem properties. So if you've got an inherited home, if you've got a home where you just can't finish the repairs, if you're a tired landlord, let's say that COVID has just really stressed you out over tenants not moving out when they're supposed to, tenants not paying the rent anymore. Well, that's where we come in. We're an all-cash buyer. We come in, we can do a deal pretty quickly usually, but we're also very flexible on time. So like with this couple, they needed the assurance of the money to retire, but they needed about 6 weeks to get out of the house because the wife was about to have knee surgery. So we're always understanding, empathetic with those situations so that we can work with families and make a win-win for them. So that's what we pride ourselves in, is giving good property solutions to help families with residential problem properties. So God bless you, and I hope you have a great day. Give us a call anytime at Starfish Group Properties, 975-0678, 817-975-0678. God bless.